doing, everyone? Hope you're well. On the menu today, we're going to make a potato and chickpea curry with coconut, some lovely Indian spices in there. This is super delicious. Healthy, vegetarian, vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here today. So I've got there 2 cans of chickpeas. I've washed them in some water, so they're cooked chickpeas. Potatoes, about equal amounts you want, kind of thing. And the back here, I don't know if you can see that, I've got some coconut milk. By the way, all the amounts and measurements are going to be in the text below. Fresh tomatoes, cilantro or coriander, cumin seeds with a little bit of dried chili, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, they're fantastic. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 decent sized onion, and in here what I always call the big 4. So we've got cumin, coriander, chili, and turmeric, like a teaspoon each. We're going to start this off with some oil. That is about it. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using some sunflower oil. Heating that up. We're going to drop in our dried red chili and our cumin seeds. Just a few seconds. Let them do their thing in that oil. They're going to infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. Then we're going to drop in our curry leaves. Now, fresh curry leaves are wonderful. They're fantastic things. If you can't get them, see if you can get dried. Not quite the same, but still work. And they can be quite noisy, and they go. Okay, they're not too bad at all. Now I'm going to drop in my onion. I'm going to cook it just for 2 minutes. We're on a kind of fairly lively heat. Okay, so that's just 2 minutes there. Next step, I'm going to drop in our potatoes, which I've cubed. Obviously, peeled them and washed them. Just going to turn the heat down just a little bit, because we're now going to try and fry these off for about 4 minutes. Okay, so these potatoes are still very hard, but they're certainly on their way. And so at this point, we're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Just going to increase the heat just a little bit. I'm going to drop in the fresh chili. We're going to add some salt. And our powders. Let's just take one more look at those. So equal parts of chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. In that goes there. Along with the tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato, ripe tomato. We're now going to add in the chickpeas, the cooked chickpeas. In they go. Medium heat, we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. Okay, this is looking absolutely wonderful. Tomatoes have broken down, give us a little bit of moisture. We're now going to add in our coconut milk. I've got like 200 ml, which is like half a can if you're using from a can. Let's give that a little mix. We're going to get a lid on this, turn the heat down, and we're going to go for, well, I'm going to go for about 6 minutes. But you want those potatoes to be nice and tender. But we've got a really fantastic curry here, really fantastic. So heat down, lid on, see you in about 6 minutes or so. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam, and we've got a beautiful curry here, absolutely wonderful. Those potatoes are nice and soft now, just starting to break down. Just going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a nice finishing spice, and then our fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Going to give that a mix in, and there you go. You've got a really wonderful chickpea potato coconut curry. Really delicious. You can have that with rice. I actually prefer this with bread, like with some naan or chapati or roti or something like that. Fantastic. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.